This is one more nice species in this valley school. This one also belongs to the grape family, and it has a tuber underneath. Idr buda el bantu nodu, and it's quite delicate thing. Like the leaves and all can break easily, soft and nice. And the leaf shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that kind of palm shape, and it's a thick and quite succulent stems are there, and leaves serrated, then I think lightly pubescent also. You can see the small hair on it, and then it usually has a large tuber. Alla gadde tadi. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಖತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಬುಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆದರೂ ವರ್ಷ ಹೊಸ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ತಿಂತವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ apart from that, it's a herb, and it improves, opens up the soil and all, and it feeds some butterflies and plays host also to some of our native butterflies. It's a good plant, and it is right next to the road. So any of the students, children who are interested, they can have a look at this. It's a beautiful plant, and it's worth preserving and cherishing, not just preserving. And tender shoots are like this, soft and nice, like that. This plant has spread out quite nicely, and it is on the way to that. There's a stream and a bridge. It's over there to the right side, next to the coconut tree. If anyone wants to see, they can come and see it.